You find the Prophet sometimes was looking even for the smallest things to bring hope to people. Smallest things. Things that you and I might even consider to be coincidence. In the Treaty of Hudaybiyah, which was a very difficult moment for Muslims, because these Muslims, the Prophet had the dream that they are now entering into Mecca. They came, the Prophet told them, well, we're going to sign this treaty, the Treaty of Hudaybiyah. The person who they sent, his name was Suhail ibn Amr. Suhail. Okay, his name is Suhail. The word Suhail comes from Sahl, from ease, from convenience. Maybe, coincidence. The narration says, the Prophet saw Suhail coming from far away. He said, قَدْ سَهُلَ عَلَيْكُمْ أَمْرُكُمْ. Your affairs have been made easy for you because Suhail is coming. What does it mean? Just because Suhail is coming, everything is going to look nice and dandy now? No, the Prophet is looking for any small thing. He's doing tafa'ul bil khair. Yes? He's thinking good. He's expecting good from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Suhail came. His name comes from sahl, from ease and from convenience. Allah has made things easy upon you. Now, if Suhail hadn't come, would have Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala still made things easy for these Muslims? Yes, they're still the same people, still the same decision. The Prophet is teaching you and I, you have to look for anything you can to bring hope into your life.